Welcome to VSP News from Kolman's Korner. I'm your host, David A. Kolman, editor of Fleet Maintenance Magazine, the only publication that is all maintenance, all management, all vehicle classes, all the time. You know, brakes are one of the most important active safety systems of a vehicle. Research and development into new brakes and braking systems is continuous. Now, one company involved in this R&D is PureForge. It was founded in early 2006 with the goal of providing increased braking performance, decreased brake wear and vehicle downtime, and reduced environmental pollutants through clean brake technologies. PureForge's atomic forging technology for brake rotors and pads has been shown to meet these objectives. The company's chief technology officer, co-founder, and a metallurgy expert, Nathan Meckel, explains.
The atomic forging technology is something that we've developed here at PureForge and is proprietary to us. And basically what we're doing is we're forming molecules on the surface of the rotor, in turn, which create layers, and those layers now are combined one on top of the other. Some of these layers are very hard and some of the layers are very tough. And the way that we join them together, either homogeneously or inhomogeneously, gives a treatment to the surface of the rotor that can withstand all of the mechanical stresses and so forth that are introduced to the brake rotor during the braking process.
Another differentiator is that with atomic forging technology, there's less brake rotor and brake pad wear, and that results in reduced amounts of harmful toxic pollutants introduced into the environment.
Number one, our brake rotor does not wear. Number two, PureForge is in the process of designing and developing its own friction materials for the brake pad. Our goal is to actually develop a braking system that introduces little or no dust to the environment, but any dust that is introduced to the environment is either benign or inert, so it's not harmful and not a health issue. And on top of that, we're also looking at developing brake pads that will, if it generates dust, will be a positive, enhance the environment in one form or another.
I asked Meckel about the company's product offerings.
PureForge today is totally focused on the law enforcement market. We provide and offer rotors and pads for every single motorcycle used by law enforcement. And also now we're getting ready to introduce and launch our Crown Victoria or patrol vehicle offerings. Crown Victoria, Dodge Charger, etc. Once we penetrate that market, we're going to use the law enforcement market to leverage into other industrial and commercial fleet markets.
The company has a new tagline that sums up its philosophy.
Our new tagline, which we're really building upon, is "We brake for life." For the life of the rider or the driver of the vehicle, for the life of the individuals in other vehicles or pedestrians, for the service life of the car. So we're looking at a product here that can save lives, save money, reduce the amount of brake dust that's being introduced to the environment, perform better, stop shorter. I mean, it's a perfect storm.
For additional information about PureForge's atomic forged rotors and brake pads, as well as vehicle braking system information, visit Fleet Maintenance Magazine online. Thank you for tuning into VSP News from Kolman's Korner. I am your host, David A. Kolman, the editor of Fleet Maintenance Magazine, the only publication that is all maintenance, all management, all vehicle classes, all the time. Until our next broadcast, stay current on what is happening in our industry by visiting Fleet Maintenance Magazine online.